Kiss na kagad! Kiss na kagad! Kiss na kagad!
I call on those present to witness. Let the groom repeat after me. I... Take root. Take root. To be my lawful wedded wife. To have and to hold. From this day forward.
Kiss na!
In whatever circumstances. In whatever circumstances. Or experience. Life may hold for us. Let the bride repeat after me. Take Gigi to be my lawful wedded husband. To have and to hold. From this day forward. In whatever circumstances. In whatever circumstances. Or experience. Life may hold for us. May hold for us. And now for us. Lana.
Kaya pala nawawala doon eh.
Namumula si Gio. Namumula mo.
Artema, ganyan muna.
And now for as much as you.
You hold na.
You hold. Hold.
And now for as much as you, Gigi and Ruth have conceived.
Gigi? Sir, tinutuloy ni Sir eh.
Consented in legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention in this school before these witnesses and in my presence, and have exchanged these rings as pledge of your bond to each other. Now upon the authority vested in me by sense, I pronounce you my husband and wife. May you enjoy length of this day's fulfillment of hopes and faith, and contentment of living as you day by day live and fulfill the terms of this
Sa lips yan ah.
covenant you have made with one another. You may now kiss the bride.
Kiss muna! Sige na! Gigi, kiss na!